Hi, this is Ryan from Team Secrets. I'm here to show you how to install Team Secrets for Jira. So you'll need admin privileges in your Jira instance. Click on Settings, then go to Add-ons and click Find New Add-ons. This takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace. In here, you can just search for Team Secrets and then click the Free Trial button. It'll ask you to confirm the privileges that Team Secrets needs in your Jira. You can see our privacy policy or terms of use here. Just click Accept and Install. And now Jira will download and then install the plugin. Just takes a couple seconds here. That's done. And then Jira will reach out and update the licenses that are needed to enable the plugin. This just takes a couple more seconds. And once this is complete, your free trial will begin and you'll be able to try Team Secrets. I've got a separate video that shows you how to actually create, post, and share Team Secrets. And here we are, licensed and ready to go. So thanks for watching. We hope you find Team Secrets to be really useful, and please send us any feedback you might have.